Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the application of the principle of tangency. But before we go deep down into that, looking at a particular question which we're going to be solving together, I want us to look at these cases here. This first case, when we have an arc that is drawn this way, touching two circles, you can see this arc is touching these circles in this way, so this is an internal tangent. And when we have an internal tangent, we are going to be using addition. So you will, by the time we get to the application, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Then when we have an arc drawn to two circles in this way, okay, this is externally. It is drawn externally as if it's embracing the circle in this way. So this is an external tangent. So if it's an external tangent, the principle states that we are going to be using subtraction. Then when we have this, an arc going into the cycle this way and coming out in this way, this is an internal tangent, which means that we are going to be using addition here, and at this point here we are going to be using subtraction. So these are the foundational knowledge that we must know when it comes to the application of the principle of tangency. So we'll be looking at a practical question now. Let's take a look at this question to start with. So I'll be drawing so many figures applying the principle of tangency. Now we have this here. We are told that we should draw the figure below applying the principle of tangency. Now this is the figure given to us. Okay, now we have two circles this way and an arc, two arc join like this. This is joined externally and this is also joined internally with the radius of the various parts given to us. So where we have an issue is, how do we draw this arc to these two circles? Drawing this arc such that the arc is going to be holding these two circles in this way as if it is continuing the circle at both sides, at both the top and the below part. So we are going to be applying the principle of tangency based using these cases I just showed us earlier. So let's start straight away by drawing this. So I will draw let me draw the center line for the two circles. Okay, we have this, and we are told that the circle radius for the bigger circle, as you can see on your screen, is 20. We have that here, radius 20 for this R2. So I'm starting from this place now. So I'm going to draw this circle of radius 20. So I'm going to extend my compass to 20 this way. So this is 20. Okay, so I'll pick a point here which I'm going to be using, okay, to draw my circle, yes. Okay, then we have that. The next thing we are going to be having now, I'm going to draw a vertical. I will draw a vertical this way. Okay, so we are told that the circle centers are 70 mm apart. So I'm going to measure 70. So I will measure 70 this way. So that is 70. Then I'll place that here. Then I'm going to have this drawn. So we have that. Then the circle radius, we are told that is 12. So I'm going to be measuring, extending my compass to 12 now. 1.2 this way, 12. So I'm going to place this way. I'm going to draw the second circle. I hope you can see for this second circle that has been drawn. Okay, so the thing now is the application of the principle of tangency I talked about. Okay, so we are given that for this arc here, it is 60. So to get this top arc now, to get this top arc that we have here now, I'm going to do a little calculation. You can see this is an external arc, and I told us that if it's an external arc this way as it is here, we're going to do subtraction. So this is what I'm trying to say. So we're going to be saying that the radius of this circle here now, radius of this circle, which is, I mean, the arc here, the radius of this arc here that we're going to get here, which is R2, we say R2 minus, so R2 minus R2, small r2, and that is going to give us what? That is going to give us, this R2 is, you can see, is 60. So 60 minus the radius of this circle here, which is our R2, so 20. So that is going to give us 40. Okay, I will tell you what we are going to do with this 40 now very soon. So we go for the second one for this side now, still this arc. We said we are going to say R2 minus R1. This R2 is 60 minus R1, which is 12, and 60 minus 12 will give us 48. So what we are going to be doing now is that I will stretch my compass to this 40. I will stretch my compass to this 40. So this is 40, this is 40, this 40 now. So this 40 now, I'm going to place here. I'll place here. Why am I placing here? Because it is for R2. This is our R2 from the question, as you can see on the screen. So this side is our R2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strike this arc. I'm going to draw this arc this way now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will come to this for the R1. So we have 48. So I will stretch my compass to 48. So this is 48. So I'm going to place here. Then I will draw an intersecting arc. So you can see where both arc, let me make that a little bit visible. So you can see where both arc intersect. So what I'm going to do now, the radius of this arc here, which is 60, and now stretch my compass to that 60 now, to the 60. So this is 60 now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place on that part there, on that part there, I'm going to be drawing an arc this way, you can see. So if the construction are correct, so it's going to be holding it at both sides. So I'm still going to align that later. So let's leave it like this first for now. Okay, so I have it like this. Okay, now I need to draw for this arc. Don't forget, this is an external arc to these two circles, external arc. Then this is the internal. So I said if it is internal like we have here, we are going to be doing addition. So you can see. So what I'm going to do now for this arc now, so what I'm going to be doing here now, I'm going to be saying this arc here, which is R1 is going to be plus, because it is what? It is internal arc. So I'm going to be adding. So I will say R1 plus this R2 now. So R1 is what? Here, in this case, is 50 plus 20. So that will give us 70. I hope that is clear. Then for this other one here, it is what? R1 plus R1. So let's see what this will give us. R1 is 50 plus R1 here. this small r, sorry, this is small r. Okay, this is small r, r2, okay, which is 70. So this one will give us what now? This 50 plus r1, which is 12. So this will give us 62. So we're going to be using this 62 now. So I hope this calculation is clear. So we have r1 plus this r2, which will give us 70. Then r1, which is 50 plus the small r, okay, 1 here, which will give us 62. So quickly I will stretch my compass to 70. So I'm going to have 70. So this is, I just want to be sure it's 70. So this is 70. Okay, I'm going to place here, place for this strike and arc this way. Then we have 62 next. 62. So this is 62. Then place here, strike and arc. Okay, now the internal arc here is 50. So I'm going to measure 50 now. 50 now. So this is 50. So I'm going to place here, which I'm going to use from here now, from this side, and it will hold this like this from here. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now, I will highlight this now to give it the fine shape. So I'm going to place it here, from here now, draw this, draw this. I hope you can see that. Okay, then let's draw this inner arc from here now. Okay, I'm going to have this, so to give it a fine finish. Okay, then for the circle, I will draw this circle to this part this way. Okay, then I'll take out this side as well. We have this. So this is the view given to us. So I hope this is clear. See you in my next video for more application of the principle of tangency. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.